What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding gloves. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Rapical Leather Forge Welding Gloves. The Rapica Leather Forge Welding Gloves are made with a full leather outer. The overall glove length is 16 inches with a 7.5-inch sleeve length. Rapicca uses thick, soft, and flexible shoulder split cowhide, making these gloves very thick yet retaining a great deal of flexibility. They are treated for heat, oil and fire resistance. These gloves feature double-layered padding made of Kevlar sheeting and aluminum insulation to shield the fingers, and Rapicca Leather Forge Welding Gloves provide added high-temperature protection. However, some users felt that the heat protection wasn't consistent throughout the entire glove. Rapicca advertises a temperature rating of 932 degrees Fahrenheit. That's probably higher than you would want to test them for at least the first time using them. Rapicca Leather Forge Welding Gloves also feature extra shielding on the palms and backs. They're constructed ruggedly with Kevlar stitching. Rapicca incorporated a full cotton liner over the entire inside of these gloves. Number 2. Refco GM1611 Black Stallion Gloves. Refco GM1611 Black Stallion MIG welding gloves are made of thick flexible cowhide on the palms and the backs. They are 12 inches long with wide cowhide leather cuffs. Users praised the feel of these gloves, with many impressed by the cotton liner. Others mentioned the superior touch of the design, with more than a few using the same gloves for their TIG work. With a full cotton liner inside, the Revco GM1611 gloves are comfortable to wear for extended work sessions. Owners love the seamless index finger and the trademark Black Stallion reinforcing patches on these gloves. Refco calls the reinforcement on the heel of the glove the drag pitch, and additional reinforcing leather on the back of the cuff is named rest pitch. Number 3. Miller 271888 MIG Welding Gloves. Owners praised these Miller 271888 MIG welding gloves for their durability and rugged construction. They have reinforcement patches at every critical point. These gloves are for professional welders who run MIG and stick welders all day. If you're a production welder, they will need cooling off on a regular basis. Users report these gloves build up heat. You'll need to take a break, allowing the thick cowhide outer layer to cool off. The inside of the Miller gloves is made of fleece liner over foam. This delivers a great feeling and a secure fit. Because they're thick and reinforced, they'll do a great job of preventing bruises on your hands. They feature Kevlar stitching, which makes for secure seams that resist the harsh environment. Number 4. KIMUON Extreme Heat and Fire Gloves. The KIMUON Extreme Heat and Fire Resistant Gloves are made from cowhide, chosen specifically for a thickness over 1.2 mm, for softness and for flexibility. They aren't dexterous enough for TIG, but work well for stick and MIG welding. They protect well from radiation, sparks and spatter. The thick leather has a good deal of fire resistance and provides a good physical barrier. They also work well for grinding. They're lined with thick, soft cotton, providing a great deal of comfort. Some users say the gloves aren't great with extreme temperatures. They can't be in constant contact with high-temperature metal like a fresh weld or something that's just been ground heavily. For handling parts and moving things around, they're perfect. The KIMUON gloves are very sturdy, using Kevlar stitching, reinforcing patches, and incorporating heavy denim cuffs. The 14-inch length provides safe coverage well up the forearm, and because they're made of such thick and soft material, they're comfortable and protect your hands well from the cuts, scrapes and bruises of long workdays in the welding environment. Number 5. Tillman 50L Top Grain Leather Stick Gloves. Tillman 50L Top Grain Leather MIG gloves offer full-length 16-inch leather coverage. The cuffs are 4 inches wide and feature cinched elastic bands to comfortably secure your wrists. A leather patch with the rough side out is used to reinforce the thumb, with a strap over the backs of your fingers. There's Kevlar stitching in every seam on the Tillman 50L Top Grain Leather MIG gloves and a padded leather palm. The grade of leather chosen for these gloves is soft and flexible, maintaining a sense of touch so you can feel what you're doing. Full leather construction means a high degree of protection from sparks, spatter and debris. Tillman gloves are known for thoughtful design and attention to detail. Tillman 50L Top Grain Leather MIG gloves are designed with a full cotton fleece liner. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.